Hi, welcome to SGP Annual Updates. I'm Yunzo, and today I'll be giving you an update on our latest development on the tunnel lookahead systems, where we will be sharing our final product of a tunnel lookahead processing software for future usage. Last year, my team and I had created several videos on the development of tunnel lookahead systems, and it would be great if you can check them out as well to have a better understanding and appreciation towards the materials that we'll be discussing about today. There are a total of 4 videos discussing about the tunnel lookahead project, and I have included the links at the description below. As a quick recap, the motivation behind the tunnel lookahead systems comes from the fact that the underground surface environment is never homogeneous. The underground environment typically consists of geological interface, substructures, and old foundations. This will create problems to the tunnel boring machines in drilling operations when it encounters these sudden changes without any information on what lies ahead. Hence, the challenges now is to be able to create a system which can give early warnings to the operators throughout the drilling operation for the necessary preparations. And this leads to us developing our tunnel lookahead systems, which consists of both hardware and software, where the data acquisitions and the hardware has been discussed in the previous videos. Now we will look at some of the features of the software in the tunnel lookahead systems as in helping the operators. The tunnel lookahead software that will be demonstrated in this video is designed using MATLAB app design and features, where it allows the software to be exported and installed independently to the potential users. The operation of the tunnel lookahead software is engineered friendly as it aims to help and guide the operators as the tunnel boring machine advances. With this early warning system provided to the tunneling team, we can better ensure the safety of the worker working inside the tunnel boring machine, as well as enhancing the overall drilling efficiency. The tunnel lookahead software allows data import from both active and passive acquisitions. Active data refers to the data recording generated by the vibrations from manually hammering the tunnel segments, where we use a sledgehammer to do so. Whereas passive data are generated by the vibrations from the tunnel boring machines drilling the geology at the cutter head. Furthermore, the software can also import data generated in the simulation environment for further analysis. The software also have some filtering features which allow users to pick out and remove bad traces in a shot gather. Bandpass filter and FK filtering are also some of the great features that has been included in the software to remove unwanted noise signal during processing. The software determines the reflections ahead of the tunnel boring machines by using semblance calculations, where 1D and 2D semblance calculations is performed within the software. One set of data can generate at least one semblance calculations. A thorough processing workflow normally involves looking at the data at different frequency bands for both the active and passive acquisitions data. Consequently, this will in turn generate multiple sets of semblance data for one particular shot gather. Furthermore, continuous day acquisitions will also generate more semblance calculations. Hence, in order to incorporate these intra and inter-day semblance data, the software introduced Bayesian inference. These Bayesian calculations can provide a confidence level on the reflection results based on the detection's consistency of the data across multiple days. Finally, the results are presented as a graph of probability against the tunnel ring segment. For example, a high probability value will indicate a high consistent reflections coming ahead of the tunnel boring machine at the corresponding ring number. Additionally, the software can also self-generate a report for the tunnel operator based on the Bayesian calculations. A manual guide will also be included to guide users to navigate across the software. To conclude, the tunnel lookahead systems aims to provide a seamless tunneling experience for the tunneling contractors, and it has undergone thorough work from hardware design to software generations, subsequently performing prototype testing at some case study projects to finally validating those results. The system is indeed ready to be deployed in any tunneling projects, so definitely look out for us for more updates regarding the development. And here I conclude my sharing for today. Also not forgetting to thank all the agency which has helped us in developing the systems by giving technical guidance as well as financial assistance. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in our next videos.